Does that sound good or what? Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a stunning 1970 Chevrolet C10, painted in burnt orange. And we do have the paint code. This baby is a rock and roll machine. Let's go to the inside so I can turn off the switch. Beautiful digital dash. Thank you, John. And you heard the electric fans to match that aluminum radiator. Let's go on up front. Beautiful wheels front and back. Power brakes, front disc. Nice wheels. And you heard the electric fans on the aluminum radiator. Power steering, chromed up. Beautiful looking 350 small block. 650 CFM, the quick fuel carburetors. Carburetor, sorry. Nice pulley system. Has a competition cam. You probably heard that one as well. I'm telling you, this is an awesome sounding machine. I was a little surprised when it pulled in of how good this thing sounded. I mean, if you were to order up a sound from up above, this is what he would drop on your feet. I mean, this is a bad ride. Paint is beautiful, shiny, cowl induction hood. Once again, that burnt orange follows itself inside. Has tinted windows. That 350 engine is matched with a 700 R4 overdrive transmission. Nicely painted door panels. Beautiful carpet. Make sure you hang out the end of the video. Check the still pictures that I have of this beautiful truck. You'll be able to get a better idea of what the interior looks like, as well as the engine compartment, undercarriage, clean as a whistle underneath there. Bed is in gorgeous shape underneath, plus a nice tonneau cover. Absolutely stunning automobile. This truck is ready for the road. Nice bucket. Cool truck. Again, hang out the end of the video for the stills. Make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram. Please follow us and also subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. Go to our website, cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out all the pictures that we have of this beautiful truck and all the others that we have in stock. Well worth your trip there. Nice detailed description on this one as well. Cruisinclassicsinc.com is our site. Let's rock and roll. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.